Hi, this is Nate Charles, the founder and managing partner of Charles International Law. You're receiving this video because Charles International Law has just partnered with a company called Fortify. Fortify is a company that specializes in providing financing to legal clients so that they can take out a loan to pay for their legal fees. Fortify is also going to manage the collections on all of the fees for our existing clients based on their existing payment plans. The purpose of this video is to show you how to apply for legal financing so that you can pay for your case through a third-party financier. Now, for those of you who have existing payment plans, Fortify is also going to handle the collections on all those payment plans. So this video is also going to show you how to set that up. Charles International Law is excited about this new partnership with Fortify because we think it's going to allow our clients to better afford the top quality legal services that Charles International Law has to offer. If you are an existing client of Charles International Law, you might have received an email over the last few days from Fortify. The email probably looked a little something like this. Or perhaps this. That email has 3 different options for how you can pay for your legal services at Charles International Law. Now, if you have the means to either make a substantial trust deposit or to pay for your services up front, we encourage you to do that. The way to do that is to click where it says Pay Now in the top line, and in the box it says Pay Balance Due. Now, we realize that a lot of you might not have that amount of money on hand. The reality is you rarely need a lawyer when everything's going right in your life, including with your finances. So, if you need help paying for your legal services, there's 2 more options. The first one is to get financing from a third-party financier. In order to do that, you want to click where it says Apply in the box titled Financing Options Most Affordable, right here. Now, if you select this option, you're going to go to another web page that's going to allow you to apply for financing through a variety of different companies that might offer different terms, including different amounts of payment month to month and different length of the overall loan. We'll cover that in just a minute. The third option is essentially a payment plan directly with Charles International Law. There will be no third-party financier involved, and the terms of that payment plan might not be as advantageous to you as one of the payment plans offered by the third-party financiers. However, it is an option that will allow you to make monthly payments towards your legal services over time rather than paying for these services up front. This might be your only option for deferring payment on your legal services if you don't have sufficient credit to qualify for a loan through one of the third-party financiers. If you already have a legacy payment plan with Charles International Law, this monthly auto draft is going to be equivalent to your payment plan, or as close as we can make it. We've set up new payment plans that roughly mirror the terms of your old payment plan, but which will be collected through Fortify. To either continue with a legacy payment plan that you've already established with Charles International Law, or to establish a new payment plan directly with Charles International Law, that is a new payment plan that does not involve a third-party financer, click here. Now let's talk a little bit about applying for a loan to pay for your legal services through a third-party financier. This will be the second option and the one that's labeled as the best value. If you choose the second option, you'll be taken to the Fortify website where you'll be able to apply for a loan with up to 30 different financial institutions. Just keep in mind those banks may require supplemental documentation like pay stubs, recent bank statements, and photo identification in order to validate your identity. If you are approved for a loan, the money will be wired into your account in approximately 24 to 72 hours. At that point, you can use the funds to make a deposit into your trust account with Charles International Law. Now, for all of our new legal clients, that's clients joining Charles International Law after November 25th, 2024, we are going to require that if you cannot pay for your legal services up front, that you apply for a loan through one of these third-party financiers. If, and only if, you do not qualify for financing through one of the third-party financiers, will we offer and allow you to accept a direct payment plan through Charles International Law. Now let's talk a little bit about that last option, accepting a payment plan. This is what you're going to want to choose if you have an existing legacy payment plan with Charles International Law, or if you want to establish a new payment plan directly with Charles International Law. Again, you're going to click that third option that says accept under monthly auto draft. Now, the nice thing is you can do this from your computer or your phone 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Again, just click accept under the monthly auto draft option to accept the payment plan directly with Charles International Law. Once you do, you'll go to a page like this where you just need to click accept again, and then you will have confirmed that you are doing the payment plan directly with Charles International Law. You'll then get an email where you click on this link, which will take you to this screen where you'll have the option of reviewing the applicant contract. Again, this is the contract that forms the basis of the payment plan with Charles International Law. You'll enter any remaining billing information that's required, including your bank account and routing number, and then click continue. Then you will get an email that says that you have accepted the contract. Now keep in mind, you're going to pay Fortify. Fortify will handle the billing, the payments, everything on behalf of Charles International Law. That's basically it. We're excited by this new arrangement with Fortify because it offers more flexibility for you, our clients. If you have an existing payment plan, Charles International Law will continue to honor those existing payment plans. The only thing that will change is that Fortify will manage the receipt of all those payments under your existing payment plans. If you want to forego your current payment plan and apply for a loan through a third-party financier that might give you more generous terms, we encourage you to do that. We want to offer you more options to obtain the legal services that you need in order to protect your interests. Nothing about this new plan is designed to extract more money from you. It's merely designed to give you more options to make the payments for the services that you are receiving. Our goal is to provide more flexibility and more options for our clients through the availability of these third-party financiers. If you have any questions, please schedule an appointment with us and we'll be happy to review this, including if you need an explanation through an interpreter. Thank you very much.